I'm Michelle Barton, and everyone calls me Shelley. I'm the Dean of the Graduate School at MD Anderson Cancer Center, and I'm also a professor of Epigenetics and Molecular Carcinogenesis. When did I want to know what I want to do or study? Probably it started when my parents gave me this incredibly awesome gift, and I was only about 10 years old, and they gave me a little microscope and chemistry set. And I just play with it a lot, and I would crystallize things and grab things from outdoors and stare at it under the microscope, and that really got me started. What kind of guidance did I get in graduate school? I certainly got great influence from actually a newly recruited assistant professor, and she and I became really good friends, and she's the one that told me what you should do to really be competitive in an academic career, so I learned so much from her. Has there been a moment in my life when I realized that this is the right path? Sort of at each stage of my career, there was one of those kind of, I don't know, eureka moments. When I was a postdoc, it was the first time I got the impossible experiment to work, and I thought, wow, I've really made it. After that, when I got my first faculty position offer, and then when my first student got her own academic position, I mean, those were all really wonderful moments. And then when I met with the president of MD Anderson and he offered me the job as dean, that's when I knew, oh my God, this icon of cancer research, and you know, this guy is definitely the smartest person at MD Anderson, is offering me this great job. I thought, wow, I've really made it. The times when I've felt that were very rewarding are every single time we have commencement in our graduate school, because as dean, I get to host the commencement, and I see all these bright young faces out in the audience, and their families are there, and they're just so supportive, and it's just such a happy time, and it's so uplifting, and you feel like, oh my gosh, we're really doing the right thing here. We're sending off the next generation of scientists. It's really great. So what I would say to the women who are following in my footsteps, don't give up. Don't feel like you're ever too old or too ill-prepared or lack confidence, because just keep saying yes to things, and the priorities will establish themselves, and you'll be on the right path.